Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Park on a level surface and apply the parking brake before you touch the jack. This prevents movement while you work. Put the transmission in park for an automatic or in gear for a manual vehicle. Place wheel chocks against the wheel opposite the side you will lift to block rolling. Confirm the jack capacity is at least 2 ton and that the jack is rated for automotive use. Remove loose cargo from the vehicle and set the spare tire and tools within reach before positioning the jack. Locate the factory jack point for your model. Typically that is behind the front wheel or just in front of the rear wheel along the pinch weld or designated frame pad. Inspect the lift point for rust, damage, or debris and clear it so the jack sits flat. Use the frame or pinch weld as the contact area. Do not lift by body panels, fuel tanks, or bumpers. Place the jack saddle directly under the lift point and center it so the load is evenly distributed before any lifting begins. Raise the vehicle slowly, turning the jack handle steadily and stopping to check jack stability every 1 to 2 inches of lift. Once the wheel clears the ground, place rated jack stands under the factory support points and lower the vehicle onto the stands so the stands carry the weight. Never work under a Honda Pilot supported only by a jack. Always use stands rated for at least 2 ton. When finished, raise slightly, remove stands, then lower the vehicle slowly by opening the release valve a quarter turn at a time until fully seated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.